We are here at Reverie's 2025 Innovation Summit Thrive at the Taubman Center, College for Creative Studies here in Detroit.
Great speakers who are coming in with all this knowledge, cool information about the cutting edge of marketing and everything that's going on in the world today, so that we can process that, have cool conversations, and hopefully everybody leaves here better, more inspired, and we bring this to our industries and we do some really cool stuff.
There was a lot of new information that I learned today and that I see other people taking notes, and it's really exciting.
Just the entire summit in general, as far as the information and learning different facets about the business and what business can do for you.
We come to Reverie anytime we need something, so anything we see in the marketplace or with some really great idea, they're able to make it happen and come to fruition.
The opportunity to meet and talk to all the participants in our industry, outside of our industry, and share ideas.
Reverie is always at the forefront and looking to push things forward, which is one of the things I've always appreciated about Reverie. One of the things that I like to do it in my retail space as well, and so what better place to be than to be here at the Innovation Summit with Reverie.
It's impressive to partner with the people they brought together that really inspire and show us what innovation looks like.
It's one of my favorite industry events, and it's because it really challenges our thinking. It gets us out of our daily routine and helps us to focus on, kind of what's next and how to think about problem solving. Bringing this group together is amazing, and I thank the Reverie team for it because it always changes me when I leave.